Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur. I'm back with another video. What's up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, y'all. So yeah, I look expensive or whatever. Hold on. Somebody trying me. Hold on. Hello. Oh, expensive, honey. Period. Okay, so I decided to give this style a try, which is a 90s inspired Tyra Banks kind of hairstyle. I've been seeing a lot of girls do it. I will say I wish I had a lot more thicker hair in the back, but you know, we had to keep it natural. This is the full lace wig, and then I added a bundle on top. It's actually really easy. If you are like me and you hate doing ponytails on anything, your own hair, your wig hair, your big, and you just be like, all right, who got the grip for this ponytail? Don't worry, boo, I got you, because I was able to achieve this, and this thing is slick and sleek. Okay, honey, we made it through. Right. So if you want to see how I achieved this style, go ahead and continue to watch. Before we get into it, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. If you like this hairstyle, let me know. I'm trying to have some fun with my hair. We ain't going nowhere, but we cute though. The pictures on Instagram gonna be cute because this is gonna have a fit, honey. We're gonna get dressed. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so before we get into the tutorial breakdown, which we're going to speed through, I just want to tell you a little bit about this wig. This is the unit that I'm going to be using to do this style. This is an 8-inch full lace wig. I wanted to use a full lace wig because my hair is not straightened or relaxed, and I just thought that to save my hair and save the trouble of trying to struggle with my own hair, I would use a full lace wig. So this is how the wig looks on the inside. I did already bleach the knots. It has 3 combs here on the side, one, and then one, wait, 2 on the side, 1 here in the middle, and then 1 all the way here in the back. This will probably be the only comb that I use because the nape of my neck does go a little bit lower, and I want to make sure that it stays underneath all of that hair when I start to lay it down. So this is how it looks. I did over bleach some sections of it, but it's going to be easy to hide, and I always just do my little eyeliner trick just to fix that. But yeah, the lace looks pretty nice lace. I think it's gonna work out well. So let's get into styling. Okay, so of course the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and lay this unit. I actually don't remember who I bought this from. This is from AliExpress. I just can't remember the vendor. So I'll link everything down below because, child, this wasn't about the vendor, I'm gonna be honest. So I'm grabbing my got to be glued, and I'm just putting that over the front of my hairline. Now this is a full lace wig, so I will do the back, but in moderation because I'm going to kind of rely on that comb in the back. So after fanning it and waiting for it to get tacky, I'm pulling that down. Just be careful when you're pulling hair down. You want to make sure that your actual baby hairs is pushed up under the wig properly. So I don't know if you see that little peep on the other side. You see that little, that's not real. So you got to make sure you just tuck that in. I don't think I show it, but I do tuck, just tuck. Okay, so once that is done and I have that laid, I go ahead and start adding the got to be to the back of my hair. I actually put it on my baby hair and pushed the kitchen and pushed it up. And once that happens, you see how I have it laying down just like that. So when you're doing this, if you have someone around, let them help you cut the back because just know. So off camera, I went ahead and sectioned off the part that I wanted to be my swoop, as you can see. And now I'm just going to start to mold the ponytail. So for this part, before you do that, because you have a scarf trying to lay down the got to be, you want to make sure that all the hair is up and going in the direction you need it so that when you take it off, it doesn't mess up. So that's really important. So I sprayed some water, some got to be freeze spray, and now I'm using my hard brush, and I'm just going to start brushing this upward
I would prefer to do this standing up and bending over. Another reason why I have, like, just another reason. So to me, that's just something to remember. You want to make sure that, you want to make sure that you're getting this as sleek as you possibly can. I suck at gripping ponytails. I always have. Probably always will, but it takes me a little while. It takes me a few tries, so be patient for this part. So you see I'm putting that initial ponytail. It's just too loose. So, yeah.
Okay, I just want to quickly talk real quick because the mirror I'm using, I have to go in my bathroom and I don't feel like moving the camera. But you have to make sure that this is molded up and nice and sleek. And because I can't see that good, and just because I'm not getting a good grip right here, that's what I'm about to go do. So you're not going to see where I get it up straight, but basically what you want to do is just pull it up into a nice sleek ponytail, and when I come back you'll see that ponytail that I was trying to achieve. But sometimes I just can't do certain things on camera, sis. I'm gonna be honest.
Okay, flowers, we are back with the dance intermission. I got my ponytail laid down, and I did add another scarf on the back to make sure that it molded up nice and sleek. And this is how the ponytail looks. I did push that hair down in the front so that it wouldn't be all like molded up. I just wanted it to lay down better. And then I'm just going to start cutting the lace now because everything is laid. You want to cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible. If not, you're going to have some of those white kind of pieces because that's the part of the lace that's not laid down. Now you can do one of two things. You can add product on it and just leave it, or you can just closely cut it off. So that is your prerogative. That's up to you. Okay. So I'm adding freeze spray. Freeze spray is a saving grace because I didn't want to use gel. Like, I just didn't. So freeze spray actually works, of course, as gel. So I'm just trying to mold the soup and get the soup the way that I want it, so it gives me the look that I'm looking for. So you have to keep playing with it and place it in the way that you want it. I've decided to like move a little piece for a little swirl baby hair. You know, I don't really do too much baby hair. Okay. So once that you get it to where you like it, you're just gonna pin that section, and then you're gonna pin the end of that swoop up as well to go in, and also add some freeze spray, and then you put your headscarf back on to hold down that swoop so it lays nice and flat. So now I'm going to grab my 14-inch bundle. This is also a bundle from AliExpress. Now, I thought this bundle was going to be thicker. I'm not going to lie. I wish it was a bit thicker than what it is. But that's okay. Like, this is what we have. We're going to use it, as you can see. So I'm doing the old school method. I'm not even doing around the ponytail because I realized the ponytail wasn't thick like how I wanted it to be. So I wanted to have that hair underneath that comes from the unit, the full lace unit. I wanted that to give into the thickness of the whole ponytail. I hope that makes sense. Yeah. So once you get it all pinned around, this is something I used to do back in the day. I added a rubber band around it just to make sure it stays. You can't see the rubber band, but it just makes me feel more secure. So after that, of course, oh, I didn't show that part. You have to wrap a piece of the hair around so it's seamless, which I did do. So I started to, yeah, we didn't like that. I wanted it to be blunt, so I started to cut the ends off. And once I did that, I was just trying to figure out how I wanted the ponytail to lay, because this part, I was like, wait a minute, did I just do all this work for the bundle to fail? Like, what's up, bundle? But nah, it ended up coming out really cute. I ended up taking off the scarf, and then I just started to figure out different ways to flat iron it to make it look the way I look. I did it to the side, that didn't work. Then I did it again, I'm about to do it again to the back, and that's when I was like, all right, fine. This is the best that I can get it. That's when I started to be like, okay, all right, fine, we're good. But then that side was a little bit, so I tried to flat. Child, this is what it's like to do hair, especially as me, because my face will be like, ooh. Okay, so I grabbed the clip, put on some pretty earrings, and boom, there we go. I actually love how this came out. Personally, I think I made it look really natural. I think this is the thickness of someone who's doing this to their actual hair. So I'm really proud. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Mwah.